Hi everyone, I'm Eva from Hana Crochet Design. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you how I made this DIY dragon paper cut home decor with my Cricut machine. For the machine, I'm using Cricut Maker 3, and for the tools, you're gonna need foil transfer tool with a bolt tip as well as premium fine point blade. For the base material, I'm using light cardstock as well as gold foil sheet for this flower pattern. And for embellishment, I use this rose gold permanent vinyl as well as this gold glitter vinyl. Let's begin. Go to my profile Hana Crochet Design on Cricut Design Space. If you subscribe to Cricut Design Space, these images are free to use. I have some Valentine's Day inspired SVG file as well as some simple graphics, which is perfect if you're just starting your Cricut journey. Some files are editable. For example, the gift tag right over here, you can change the text. Alright, let's go back to our craft for today. Go to my shared project and then select Chinese New Year home decoration. This file is ready for cutting, but if you want to change the size, you can click on customize. If you want to adjust the size, select all the layers and then you can drag the box. The elements on this design will be cut on different mats. First, we have this dragon image, which will be cut using print then cut function. For this print then cut function, I usually draw the image in Procreate apps, save as PNG format and upload it in Cricut Design Space. And then we have this lantern. I will use cardstock for the backing and gold vinyl for the lantern pattern. I will use gold foil sheet for this flower pattern and light cardstock as the base material. And the graphic right over here will be cut on gold vinyl. And lastly, we're gonna cut this back template on a transparent material. Once you're done with the setting, click Make on the right panel. I'm gonna change the material size for this dragon image to A4. I will also change the material size for the rest of the design to 30.5 by 30.5 cm. Once you're done with all the setting, hit continue. We use print then cut function for this dragon, so I'm gonna send this to printer. After that, I place the paper on the mat and then load the mat into the Cricut machine. From here, the steps are pretty straightforward. You've got to set the base material, put the material on your mat and load it into your Cricut machine. For this foil transfer tool design, I'm using light cardstock as my base material. Then I set the pressure to default. Load the transfer tool with a bolt tip in a clamp B. Place the foil sheet on top of your base material, shiny side up. Once the foiling is complete, remove the gold foil sheet without unloading your mat. To cut out the template, change the tool to fine point blade. All the instructions are given on Cricut Design Space. Now that we have all our pieces cut out, let's start assembling the crafts. For the design cut on vinyl, you've got to remove the unwanted vinyl out of your design. With our vinyl design cut and weeded, the next step is applying transfer tape. For the glitter vinyl, I use this strong grip transfer tape. Peel off the backing of the transfer tape and carefully place it over your vinyl design. Use your finger or a scraper tool to smooth out any bubbles. Slowly peel off the vinyl backing and apply the vinyl onto the template. Just want to highlight one thing. I manually hand cut this template because the material that I'm using is way too thick for the machine. After that, I'm gonna glue this cutout circle on top of it. There you have it. This is how the final design looks like. I hope you found inspiration and enjoy crafting with me. If you tried out this DIY project, please tag me on Instagram, Hannah Crochet Design. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.